Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're just going to be reviewing this. Now then, this I got in my glossy box, and it is the Tea Tree Witch Hazel Boots face mask. It would help if I put it that way. So yeah, so this is a 10 to 15 minute peel off mask, and it's the Witch Hazel and Tea Tree face mask. Now this is a peel off mask, and there it is, and I've already opened it up, so yeah, and that is it inside. It looks like a really runny substance, and so that is it. And it just says apply a 1 mm layer evenly over your face and for 10 to 15 minutes. And so this will probably dry down, and then you just peel it off. It's supposed to deep clean and get rid of blackheads, and so that is what it's supposed to do. Oh, the smell of it really does has a witch hazely smell. It has a really nice relaxing scent to it. So without further ado, I'm just going to get on with it. I already cleansed my face with the Spa Age Reverse face wipes. I'm not sure if I got these in Poundland or Superdrug. I think it might have been Aldi ones, sure of it, or something like that. But they were super cheap, and so that's what I've already used. I've prepped my face. I haven't took my eye makeup off because I'm not going anywhere near my eyes with it. So let's just get on, and I haven't got any hairpins at all, so let's just hope it doesn't go in my hair. Right, so I'm just going to apply it all over like so. Oh, there is a tingly feeling. I'm just going to apply it where the blackheads will sit the most, which is in the nose area. So that is where I want to apply it. Now I'm just going to do my forehead. And down the T-zone. Oh, it feels really nice on. I'm not lying, it feels really nice on. And it looks a bit red, blotchy at places, but the scent of it is amazing. It is really a nice scent, it one. I love the scent of witch hazel, it really is nice. And there is a hint of tea tree there, and really is a nice one. Right, okay, so I am just going to finish applying that, and then I'm going to wait 10 to 15 minutes and let's just see what it does. Okay, so back. Right, so it's only been like 4 minutes into it, and I'm just going to bring you a little bit closer in so we get to see what is going on here. And as you can see, it is still, it's like a tacky substance. It's not completely dry, but it's only 4 minutes into the face mask, and it feels really, really nice on. So I'm just going to zoom you back out. So, oh, I zoomed you in. Now I'm zooming you back out. And we're just going to wait the extra 11 minutes because we're 4 minutes in. It says 15 minutes on this one, 10 to 15 minutes, but I'm going to give it 15 minutes because we're still dewy as anything. Okay. Okay, so we're on 5:29 now, so that is like 12 minutes into it, and it is feeling rather sticky. I've just stuck my light on so we'll get a better look at it, but I'm just going to zoom you right in so you'll see it. It's starting to peel there, as you see. and peeling is around my nose area, peeling there, but it still feels actually quite sticky, so I'm just going to actually switch my light off and see if you get a better look at it. Well, there's actually quite a little bit of redness there, which I am not really worried about. I'm just going to check in my mirror because I am really worried about it. Oh, there is nothing much to worry about. My camera is very exaggerated, but there is a little bit of red. I don't know if that will actually calm down. Right, so it's actually like it's starting to peel. Right, so I'm going to zoom you back out. No, we're going the wrong way. So that is the right way. I think it's actually quite better with my light on. You get to see it. So it is to use. It says apply the 1mm layer. I've actually said that. So leave to dry for 10 to 15 minutes. When it's completely dry, peel from your face. Rinse with warm water to remove any of the remaining. So right, so I'm just going to actually start to peel this off. Like, just peel it like so, and as you see, it is actually coming off. So it's actually peeling, which is quite good. My skin actually feels amazing. So now I'm just going to probably zoom you back in so you get to see the skin, because I like to do a proper review for a face mask, and it's just coming off. It's like actually like chewing gum when it comes off. So zoom you back out. Oh, we've gone the opposite way. Right, so now you're going to see this side of it. Oh, I look really cool, don't I? Yeah, like chewing gum face. Right, so I'm just going to peel it off. Would I buy this mask again? Yes, I would, because it feels really nice. I like it a lot. My skin is absolutely feeling amazing. It is a little bit red, but it feels really nice. Got a bit of problem with that one. Oh, I'd say that this one is one of the best face masks I've tried in a long time, and it's just so simple. You can just pop into Boots and get it, and I will be getting that again because it has left my skin feeling amazing. And it's just a 10 to 15 minute mask, and that is all it is. Right, so I am just going to zoom you back out. And knock my annoying light off. Oh, it's better with this one. Right, so if you liked my review on the Boots Witch Hazel and Tea Tree Oil face mask, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye!